Education news: as kids across the country get ready to head back to the classroom, districts are struggling to fill teaching positions.
That's right. This year, the turnover rates for educators are twice as high as other jobs. Newsy's Meg Hilling explains.
As students prepare to head back to class this fall, some school districts are scrambling to fill teaching positions amid a nationwide shortage of instructors.
We're seeing unprecedented numbers of teachers leaving the profession all across the country.
In June, a member survey of the American Federation of Teachers revealed a more than 30% rise in job dissatisfaction from 2020, with 38% of teachers considering leaving their job in the next 1 to 2 years. For many teachers, pandemic burnout, low pay, and rising housing costs are the driving factors behind their departure from the classroom.
The kids are the only thing that made that decision really hard. Would you stay in your job if you aren't paid enough based on your education and your experience?
With class scheduled to resume in just a few weeks, many school districts are turning to substitutes for help.
Working on establishing a strong substitute pool, looking at really small classes that we might be able to combine so we can close out a vacancy.
And offering incentives to catch teachers' attention.
We've done things like trying to create more wellness afternoons for teachers. It's also about making sure that you're giving teachers time for a break. Teaching in this environment right now is challenging, and so we want to make sure we're giving our teachers time for a break.
Some of which are financially driven.
Experienced folks coming from 50 miles away could get up to $10,000 to come join the RPS family.
Others are even exploring the possibility of offering teachers affordable housing by converting undercapacity schools into staff housing.
That's going to be an opportunity for our employees to have an opportunity for them to save a tremendous amount of money, but openly being able to give them a perk. When we look at 700 plus vacancies within our school districts instructionally, we've got to be able to find a solution to win the talent war.
Meg Hilling, Newsy.